We have been thinking about one thing, thinking about how we could overturn the traditional flexo printing system into an innovative, eco-friendly operation and reduce the cost at the same time. The printing wastewater is currently the largest pollution source in the printing industry. The annual output of printing ink in the world has reached 3 million tons, and the annual global emissions of volatile organic compounds caused by printing products have reached hundreds of thousands of tons. These VOCs could cause more severe greenhouse effect than carbon dioxide and could also form oxides and photochemical smog. Seriously pollutes the environment and the atmosphere. These environmental impacts have attracted widespread attention from governments and environmentalists in various countries. After more than 36 years of development, UG Paper Company Limited has grown with the circumstances and the times, developed a Ugsp zero-emission ink control system for flexo printing. In the past, the traditional wheel-type printing system would consume up to 93% of ink during color changing and machine washing. A large amount of wastewater was generated during color changing and cleaning. Therefore, the industry used treatment agents to decontaminate wastewater, which required lots of labor, electricity, and chemicals. The cost of operation and management is high. To keep a balance between printing quality control and wastewater solution, many companies rather discharge illegally than invest tens of millions NT dollars on decontamination equipment construction. Our new product, Ugsp Flexo Printing Zero-Emission Ink Control System, has changed the traditional design and adopted an innovative dual inlet and dual outlet diaphragm pump to increase the capacity of recovery thrust and suction. The equipment could effectively maintain ink quality by quickly return the rest ink in the pipeline back to the ink tank. It can supply qualitative and quantitative ink to meet the operational requirement of various printing products. The new product, Ugsp Ink Control System, narrows the design of the pipeline, effectively reducing the contact surface between ink and air and reducing the risk of ink hardening. The design also allows the ink tube to flush and clean easily and could quickly clean the residual ink in the tube. The Ugsp Flexo Printing Zero-Emission Ink Control System is optimal designed, providing 4 functional modules: ink absorption, ink removal, cleaning, and water replenishment. Replacing labor with pressed buttons with automatic water level detection and water replenishment functions could effectively reduce time for operation. Modular design of ink absorption and washing function makes it easier to operate, which can avoid unnecessary waste of water and human resources and largely improve the efficiency of operation. Besides, we have also developed waste ink treatment agents that can be used together. It has a faster coagulation and sedimentation performances, strong flocculation and anion exchange, and has a strong absorption effect on ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and heavy metals. The performance is particularly excellent, and SGS testing is better than regulatory requirements. Ugsp waste ink treatment agents allow wastewater to quickly precipitate in 30 minutes. After the waste ink is cleared and recovered, it can be recycled to the Ugsp ink control system for refilling or washing utilization, effectively attaining zero discharge of wastewater. Using Ugsp Flexo Printing Zero-Emission Ink Control System with Ugsp waste ink treatment agents can effectively reduce ink consumption by 50%. The amount of wastewater, electricity, the dosage of chemicals, and labor costs can be effectively reduced by 70%. Most importantly, the emission of wastewater can reach 100% zero discharge, effectively reduce costs, and prompt recycling. Through the investment of the low-cost equipment, we not only effectively reduces the production and the operating costs, but also achieve environmentally friendly. We are striving to get much more high-value international orders. Who are we? We are UGSP.